Hello and welcome to the Technicforce tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to use the conversation feature in Voisi. To get started, let's navigate to the conversation section. Here you will see all the previously created conversations in a simple data table format. Now let's create a conversation so that you can understand how it works. To create a new conversation, just click on the Add Conversation button. Then you can see there are 3 steps you will complete to create the conversation. Let's take each step one by one. In the first step, write down the name of the conversation you want to keep this conversation. Try to put some meaningful name that is related to the conversation instead of a name like test or demo. So, you can recognize it later on easily when you come back to it. I will write Jenny and Jack conversation regarding landscape photography. Then click the next button. In the second step, you need to set up the dialogues. Let me show you how you can. You can type your script here and even get it here from somewhere else and paste it here. And then click Next. Now in the third step, you need to select the voices for the characters of the script that you have put in the previous step. Let me select the voices for my characters one by one. In Voisi, you have the option to select from various voices, like Google Translate, Amazon Translate, Microsoft Azure, IBM Watson, and OpenAI. So, for Jenny's voice, I will choose Amazon Translate. Then I will choose language as English, British. Then gender as female. And lastly, I will choose voice as Amy. You can also hear the selected voice. Now, let's just select the voice for Jack. I will choose OpenAI as a service for Jack. And the language will be English. Here I will choose male. And the voice will be Echo. We have successfully selected the voices for our conversation characters and completed all the steps. Now click Submit, and the process of generating the conversation has now started. You will see the status as pending here in the table. It will take some time to generate the voice conversations. Through this View button, you can also track the conversation process. It will show the status of each dialogue one by one. Let me wait till all the dialogues are ready and get back to the tutorial. Now, as you can see, the status is showing Success, which means our conversation is ready. You can hear and download the conversation through this Download button. Let's hear the conversation that was created.
Hey, have you been out shooting lately?
Actually, I went out last weekend. The weather was perfect for landscape photography.
That sounds amazing. Did you capture any particularly striking scenes?
Oh, definitely. There was this one spot overlooking the valley at sunset. The light was magical.
Wow, I can only imagine. Do you mind sharing any of your favorite shots?
As you've seen, it was quite impressive. If you want to hear and download each dialogue of the conversation separately, just click on this View button. And through this Download button, you can do that easily. So, that's how you can effortlessly create voice conversations by using Voisi. Here in the dashboard, you can see the record of previously created conversations through this graph. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.